Okay, so this is the river right down by our place. Look at how fast it's moving. Like, it's unreal. And see where the trees are. This is crazy. And right now, these houses actually down by here are doing good. They're fine right now, so that's good. Dax, stay close. Come here, under my umbrella. Look at how fast it's moving. That's what's scary. It's unreal how fast this thing's going. It's not normally this wide, and we usually can walk through. Like, we can usually walk into the middle where that island is. We can wade right through. So you can just see how crazy. Anyways, that's it. This is our area. Awesome.